Hi, birds are out. Luna don't want to get out, so I'm trying my birds to behave, to play with each other, and it looks like it's working good. Hopefully they're not fighting so far. So good. It's okay, Luna. Charlotte is the only one who's acting so weird. Uh-oh. Lucy's protecting Cookie, my goodness. Oh, wow. Cute baby. Lucy, this one was protecting Cookie, the green one, because Lucy and Cookie are a couple. That's cute. Lucy is the yellow one is the female, and the green one, Cookie, this is Cookie, is the male. See, they are a couple. So she was protecting him. Oh, that's cute. Charlotte, be nice. Charlotte, be nice, please. Cookie, you too. If you guys behave good, I promise that I'm gonna take you out more often with the girls, okay? Oh. Luna, it's okay. You want to fly as well? Should I take Luna out? I'm not sure. Good job. No fighting, guys, please. No fighting. Charlotte, can you leave that alone, please? Lucy, can you leave that alone, please? You're not listening. Remember I said, if you behave good, I'm going to take you out more often with the girls. I already opened the door for Luna. I don't know if she's going to go out or she's going to stay. It's okay, sweetie. She went to the other cage. Guys, excuse me. No, Toby, don't fight with Lucy. They are having a meeting. My birds are having a meeting. Sunny, you cannot feed Cookie. Cookie is a male. He doesn't want your food. Kind of like a little fighting. It's the first time that Lucy is out and she's acting. Not the first time, I think it's the third time. But she's acting really good. She's a little exhausted, but I want her to fly a little bit. They don't stretch a lot in the cage. They fly, but not like free, you know? So I'm happy with this decision. I know I have to clean all this place, but oh well. It's okay, it's just a trash guy. Lucy answers me. You tired, Lucy? Lucy? What happened? Who's in your house? Is Luna there? You need to learn, okay, Lucy, how to go to your house? Not that way. That's the wrong way. Luna, you need to get out from Lucy's house. Lucy's very smart. Luna, you need to get out from Lucy's house. Luna, come on to your house, please. That's not your house, sweetie. Lucy wants you to get out. I want Lucy to learn how to enter her house. My birds, they learn. After a few times, I let them out, so I want her to Learn how to get out from the cage with no problem and get in the cage with no problem. You're doing such a good job, Lucy. Who is the pretty bird? Hi, Lucy. What is that? Cookie's calling her. Cookie, you need to come over here. Cookie. Lucy. Luna? Can you please, Luna, get out from Lucy's house? Lucy protects Cookie very good. My goodness. Charlotte. It's windy outside, so they hear the noise and they get scared. Birds are like this. These ones are scary cats. Guys, no fighting, please. You were doing good job. Keep it like that. Luna, like you can see, I opened the door for Luna, but she doesn't want to get out. So where's Charlotte? Oh, Charlotte is there. Who's the pretty birds? A la lu 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 lu. A la lu lu lu. Look at Lucy. Lucy, you okay, baby? You okay, Lucy? La 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 la. Good job. Pretty bird. Pretty birds. Cute babies. Who's the cutest babies ever? Cute babies. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Toby. Hi, Charlotte. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty birds.